G'day all, Hef here again from Epic Rides and Tours, Sidecar Adventures. We're having fun here. The horn, or the hooter, on Dusty suddenly decided to give up the ghost. So I had to replace it. Relatively simple job. In fact, incredibly simple, but if you've never done it before, I've got a couple of pitfalls to show you. Oh, for some reason Swampy's horn has self-destructed. I have no idea why it should do that, but there you go. I've got a new one, and this here is the horn. I've disconnected the terminals there and there. Now there's a Allen bolt that goes through the frame here, and I'm not going to try and show you in the camera because there are too many wires and things in the way to be able to see it, but there's a 14mm nut on the other side. So let's see if I can get a spanner on it. Yeah and no. Right, a 6mm Allen key and a 14mm combination spanner, and it's as tight as you want it. Hey, oh, that's the wrong nut. That's the one that's actually on the back of the horn. Now the new one is already fitted with one of those plates, but I don't know. Oh, we shall have some. Oh, come on. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to turn off the camera. So here's one we prepared a little earlier. This plate is where the horn assembly hangs. Oh, sweating my eyebrows. It might actually be easier for you to try and undo from here first. Gives you a little bit more room to take this one off, but hey, never let it be said I take the easy way. And that's the bolt. There is a distinct bend in it. I can guarantee to you I have never attempted to take this thing off. So that's obviously a factory modification. And there's the two for comparison. I'll see if I remember to take a recording of the sound that Swampy's factory horn makes, because it's pathetic. Oh, I know this one's a lot louder. We'll see how it goes, eh? So, how does it sound? A bit high pitched for my liking, but hey, about 3 times as loud as the one it had. So yeah, I should be able to make myself heard when approaching. Yeah. A couple of things on that one. It is going to be a lot easier if you just unbolt the horn itself, or the hooter itself, from the strap of metal that it's attached to. A lot easier. The bent the bent threaded part on the bolt that holds the whole assembly together is a bit funny, but yeah, and sorry about the huge quantities of perspiration. The average relative humidity around here for pretty much most of the summer has been up in the 90s, and more than once on 100%. with temps that have occasionally reached the mid-30s. So you don't even have to take a breath to start sweating. Anyway, look, please think about subscribing if you enjoy what you see here or you think it's useful to you. Share it around and come back and have a look. We've noticed that, well, according to Google, 92% of repeat watchers are not subscribed to the channel, which I find amazing. It's much easier if you subscribe to the channel, then you'll get told about new content whenever it happens. Meanwhile, cheers and see you next time.